Time for multi-game cards.
Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and we are back with a new video. And in today's video, let's zoom in a little bit. We have the 24-1, and this looks like a very promising card. We got Pokemon Yellow, Red, Blue, Zelda. Wow. Alright, I'm excited. I want to see if there are any games that are saying on the picture. Alright, there are Pokemon games, like they are listed here. Pokemon Yellow. Is it true? Is it true? Wow. It is really the Pikachu yellow version. Alright, this is really awesome. And it even got a save state. Alright, let's try the other Pokemon games. Alright, this is Pokemon Red. Wow. Does it have a save state? Continue. Okay, so this is the second Pokemon game and it got some separate saves. Nice! Alright, and now let's try Pokemon Blue. And it is Pokemon Blue indeed. And does it also have a save function? Continue. Wow, I must say I am pretty excited about this thing, because for a multi-game card that already contains these 3 Pokemon games, that is really awesome. And I noticed there was a Zelda on it, so let's take a close look at that one. And it seems to be that it also contains the real Zelda game. And it has a save function. So yeah, there are a lot of games on this multi-game card. There are 24 games on it, and they are all complete and or legit, or what do you want to call it. There are no double games on it. There are a real 24 games. So yeah, for the final conclusion, people, this 24-1 multi-game card is really an amazing multi-game card. If you find it on a flea market, just pick it up. It is really awesome to have it in your collection, but just play with it. You can play the 3 Pokemon games, and you even have Zelda. So if you need to pay €5 or $10 for it, still worth the money. So yeah, people, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more wicked videos, and see you next time.
Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter. Yeah, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty pictures and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.